We're turning this vintage Spalding signature golf club set into this Star Wars Captain Phasma theme set. At first glance, these clubs look terrible because of the rust, but they're not chipped, so we won't have to re-chrome them. And their scratches are minor, so it shouldn't be that bad. So what we're going to do first is remove the rust, strip the old paint, remove the minor scratches, and then we'll be able to have some fun. Captain Phasma, chrome dress, black cape, thin red line. Black and red are traditional golf club colors, so we're gonna try to be creative for them to be out of the ordinary. Like I said before, it's the end of the golf season, all clubs are hard to sell, so we're gonna try and make them stand out and sell faster.